How to Become Rich and Successful by Dr. Ernesto Martinez. Coming up. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ernesto from AttaBoyCowBoy. And on this channel, we give you health and wealth tips to help you be more successful. Now today I want to share with you a little bit about my book. This is actually my favorite book I've ever wrote. Obviously, every book I wrote I really like, but this is my favorite because I really put my heart and my soul into this one because I really wanted to help my family and my friends. And what you're going to learn in this book is that many times in your life, you're going to run up against obstacles. You're going to run up against people that are going to tell you that you can't. You're going to have experiences that are not going to be the best. And it's easy to just kind of take a step back and not go forward because of the fear. But you know, it doesn't have to be that way. And I just wanted to share this with a lot of my friends and family and just tell them, hey, you know what? Those days are going to come for all of us. That's just the way life is. But this is going to help prepare you. It's going to give you some strategies of how to persevere. Like everybody, I've had some tough experiences in my life, but I've been able to overcome them. And luckily today I'm able to even make this video for you in this beautiful place. I'm in Mammoth Lakes, California, and it just snowed. There's all this fresh snow here. So these are the types of beautiful life experiences you can have if you push yourself to succeed. And it's not just about money. Money's only part of it. It's about happiness. It's about integrity, about honesty, about being a good person. A value system, having a good value system. And this is what this is going to teach you on top of all the business and the habits of successful and entrepreneurial spirited people. So hopefully this helps you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of videos there that can also give you some tips and some hints on how you can make things better for yourself. So thank you for watching. And from Mammoth Lakes, California, this is Dr. Ernesto Martinez. Goodbye.